this short video is on how we can sort data from smallest to largest or largest to smallest order, or in ascending or descending order using Excel 2016. Let's say we want to sort data of this column. Here we can see all of the data are in numeric form. To sort values, first of all we'll select the column and then we'll go to data tab. Here we can see two different options. You can sort from smallest to largest order, or you can sort from largest to smallest order. Let's say we want to sort our values from smallest to largest order, so we'll click here. Now our data are sorted from smallest to largest order. Now if we click here, our data will be sorted from largest to smallest order. To sort alphabetic data, we'll follow the same route. We'll select column first. Now if we put mouse cursor here, this time we'll see little bit different message. Either we can sort data from A to Z this order, or we can sort data from Z to A this order. To sort the column, first of all definitely we need to select the column. Now if we click on A to Z, rows will be sorted in A to Z order. If we click on Z to A, rows will be sorted from Z to A in this order.